Hey, Jeff Mays here, and I just wanted to give you a little brief update on the insurance market. Things going into the end of 2023 in insurance are, well, it's difficult. They call it a hard market, and it's a hard market for a lot of reasons. The cost of repairing autos, the cost of repairing homes, the cost to buy things to replace the things that get damaged. Overall, the cost of everything has gone way up, including, as you know, the cost to just have a sales force working for you and a service force and claims adjusters and to do all the things that you have to do. The prices just continue to go up. While everything else really wasn't foreseen to do this, rates were not projected to do this. So many companies are going back and having to apply for higher rates in order to maintain some level of profitability. Now, you may think being an insurance company being profitable is not that important to you, but as a customer, we want our insurance companies to remain in business. And if they lose too much money, they'll go out of business. And that's not something that we want. We want good, strong companies that will support us when we have a problem and not fight over things like what happens at times like this. When companies are losing money, it's difficult for them to do the right thing because, they may not have the money to do it. And as we look at this market right now, I see a lot of that happening. Your rates, if you haven't seen them already, they'll probably go up. I'll work as hard as I can to get you a better rate. But I know in cases like my own, where my rates went up 60%, there was really nothing I could do and keep the same level of coverage. I don't believe in cutting coverage in order to save a little bit on the price and then you have a bigger exposure of risk. That's never my belief. My belief's always been set your level of coverage, find your risk, and then do the best to find the best price that'll help you cover that risk. It's always been the way I've done things, and we've done things here. And I think it will continue to be that way because saving a few dollars here and there doesn't make sense. When you look at things like deductibles, maybe a higher deductible will save you some money. It won't cut down on the amount of insurance you have, and it makes sense. Maybe adjusting coverage on older cars makes sense. Maybe you don't need full coverage on a 15 or 20-year-old car. There's a lot of ideas that we can discuss that may save you some money, but cutting your liability down or getting rid of comprehensive and collision on vehicles that doesn't make sense, I don't think that's the way to do it. So I'm ready and I'm able to help you. I know a lot of my companies, I heard 8 out of 13 of them at a seminar recently, and they were all losing money. And when you look at that, that just is a red flag to me that we're going to see continued increased prices. We're going to see a harder time insuring property. We're going to just maintain a harder, more difficult situation for a while. Will it get over? Sure it will. But it's going to be tough for a little while. And it's going to be something that you and I can work through. I hope you'll let me do that with you. I'm here to help you. I'm here to try to do the right thing every time. And sometimes if we don't communicate, I don't know the right thing to do. So please communicate with me. Please let me know if you have questions. If you need help with anything, let me know. I'm here for you. I want to help you get the right insurance for the best possible price. I'm Jeff Mays, and I'm your insurance agent. Thanks so much.